Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna be vlogging and I'm so excited, I'm so thrilled, nervous at the same time because he is a superstar. And that superstar, that Indian sports celebrity is Eugeneson Lyngdoh.
Eugeneson Lyngdoh has put Bangalore 1-0 up.
So I am excited. I just want to finish this vlog because I can't wait for you people to look into this vlog and take always positive things from him. So what I want to do right now is I'm gonna vlog and hellos. I'm telling you guys, I'm talking English because there's one of my friend from Yemen, Andrew Dominic. He said if it's possible for me to do an English vlog. So yes, it's possible, Andrew. I am doing an English vlog today and I hope you share as much as possible and spread this video because it gives a good positive vibe for each and every one of you. I'm so excited. I don't want to talk more. I just want to go. So bye. Apparently we're still waiting for Daniel who gave me this idea of meeting Eugene and vlogging about Eugene. And I'm very nervous because I've never done anything like this before. It's so big for me because he's a superstar and I'm so excited, but I'm nervous at the same time. So Daniel is here. Daniel, he's the one who's gonna take me there. So I hope Eugene's son also will welcome us. Right?
Yeah.
So peace out. See you there.
Of course.
Entering the tunnel of Shillong. Let me shout. Hello. Hey. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're gonna enter Eugene's son's his crib. And he's right there waiting for us. So here we are. The superstar, the Indian superstar, the Indian sports celebrity right here. This is the painting of Eugeneson's house. That's the driveway. It's a mansion. It's huge. He's a superstar. He's a celebrity. So of course, why not? Right, Daniel? So I'm here and we're gonna see about Eugeneson's achievement. So Eugeneson, please explain to us what do you have here?
Here are some of my medals which I've got over the years. These are all from Shillong.
Okay.
When I was playing for Ranjit Arima. Yeah. Yeah, these were all the Shillong Premier League.
Shillong Premier League.
This was the Champions League, Meghalaya Champions League. And some Independence Champions. This, when we won again, we won. Yeah, when we won with.
A champ will always be a champ.
And this is when we won the SAF Cup.
SAF Cup
for India in 2015, which was held in Thiruvananthapuram or whatever it's called. And this is my first I-League medal.
Wow.
With Bangalore, and this is just a souvenir Bangalore gave.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
these are just some of my medals. And the missing one is a Fed Cup. 2 seasons.
Fed Cup.
Yeah, 2 seasons of Fed Cup is missing here.
Okay. So apart from this, your most important trophies, I can see it's right there.
Yeah.
So can you explain to us one by one?
Yeah. So you can see the one with the ball. This was the Indian Player of the Year, which is
Okay.
voted by all the football players of India.
Okay.
And these were my first season at BFC when he gave me the Players Player of the Year award.
Okay.
And this is the Fans Player of the Year award.
Fans player.
So and this is just one of the Man of the Match
Man
awards
of the
which I
match.
got against East Bengal. And this is a 2015.
Oh, that looks
16 best midfielder.
Ah.
Yeah, and there was another one, but I don't know where is it. I got it twice in a row.
Too many trophies.
So no, it's just that I'm not very. These are all done by my sisters, so
Okay.
they have a reason as well. But yeah,
Okay.
thanks to them.
That's it. Hello people, so finally I'm here with one of the best footballer, one well-known footballer in India, let's say a sports celebrity, and I'm really glad that you have welcomed me and you have given me this opportunity. Hello once again, Eugeneson Lyngdoh. So guys, I will interview him little questions and let's see what he has to say regarding these questions. So the question number one is, Eugeneson, what made you choose football other than other jobs?
I would say it was pretty evident from when I was a small kid, So football has always been in my life. So I started football. My dad was a footballer. So I was in a boarding. So even you all know the Castro commandments. I was in their boarding. So we were kids. We all played together, and occasionally I get to go watch my dad play for Arima. Before it was called First Division. It was never a Shillong Premier League. So eventually, I fell in love with the game more and more. So it was evident then that I wanted to play football. After I finished my 10th, after my board exam, normal kids would want to say, I want to choose this stream, but for me it was football,
Yes.
But I never had the opportunity. The road didn't there was no road, all roads were closed.
Okay.
So I continued with my studies. I did science because my dad was an engineer, so I thought okay fine, maybe
Okay.
for the sake of it. Then after my 12th, I went to engineering, thinking that all hopes to play football is finished.
Okay.
And then I think after I joined my engineering, it was like a disguise, like football had just opened up again.
Okay.
I played for the for the university,
Okay.
and then eventually I had a year back drop, so like a blessing in disguise. I came back here.
Okay.
Then I played for Arima, then
Yes.
now Ram the Jade. And from then on, I didn't go back, continue my studies. I just kept quiet.
Okay.
My parents were like, are you going back to studies? And I'm like, nah. I just kept quiet. I just prolonged it. I was like, yeah, I've got ideas and that's stuff. But yeah, it was not easy to decide to play football.
Yes.
I
Yes.
forget the studies because it's a competitive world,
Yes.
And football back then wasn't as big as it is now.
Okay.
So yeah, I took a decision which I knew would be, like, I don't know what could happen to me. Maybe I'd be jobless,
Okay.
but then I just knew in my heart that I wanted to play football and
Yes.
it's something I want to do.
Okay.
So I want to be happy doing it. So eventually God paved his way and now I'm here where I am.
Yes.
So thanks to him.
So that's one positive thing that I heard, and I hope you continue with your football thing, not only by playing but also building more platform for other people
I hope so too,
in terms of football. So the second question is, for sure you have been struggling. There are a lot of hardships, but how did you tackle those things to become so successful like how you are right now?
Yeah, I would say I was very patient and I've always been a good listener.
Yes.
And like obviously I was disciplined in my in my life and with the profession that I wanted to follow, so I had to be very, very disciplined. There were things that I had to sacrifice. For example, my friends would go out, do this, do that, and I wouldn't because I knew I had for the next day.
Exactly.
So eventually, when you want to achieve something, you have to really dedicate yourself, no matter what. So I was focused, I was determined. Yeah, and I had to train well. No matter, I know there were lots of ups and downs, and sometimes things will never go according to plan.
Yes, yes.
But just keep working hard, and eventually you'll get there.
Okay. So, guys, even though he has struggled, so he had sacrifice, so and he has been so disciplined in life that he became so successful now. So that is Eugeneson Lyngdoh. So this is how he became successful, and he's one of the best now. And third question, Eugene, who encourages you to keep going and keep pursuing football?
I would say it has to be my family, especially my dad. It been very, very, very supportive. I still remember the first time. So yeah, in Edmonds we have this interclass.
Yes, interclass.
So the first time I got to play interclass was I was in fourth. So yeah, then so I still recall. I remember the time when in the front yard I asked my dad. Hey, we were just walking.
Yes, yes.
Can I get a set of jerseys
Okay.
for the team? Like for him it wasn't like I won't give you. It was straight away I would give you. It's not like when I asked him for other things, he would be hesitant to give me,
Yeah,
but when it was
exactly.
something to do with sports, especially football, it was very readily available for me,
Okay.
So from then on, I realized that he is someone who's really passionate about sports, and like we've got Arima and Nakiran as well.
Yes.
So like he had a vision for Arima. Arima means the two himas here where we
Yes.
live. It's called Hima Moklang and Hima Marbi.
Okay.
So therefore the name Arima. So the reason for Arima was that it was formed so people from this region get Shillong, So that is and later on we formed a Nakira team which was based for kids below 20 years of age.
Kids below.
Yeah, so to play and to be from here,
All over.
yeah. No, I mean from this area.
From this area.
Yeah.
Okay.
They get the opportunity to play in Shillong. Therefore the name Nangkewira is like, so yeah. Then therefore I realized that he's a person who's like supportive of sports and everything. So yeah, and he was very supportive to me when I joined Arima. I joined Arima when I was in 9th or 10th grade.
Yes, yes.
Then I didn't get to play football regularly, occasionally. Yeah, and so yeah, he's been the biggest encouragement.
Okay. So his dad, his family, they support him a lot through seeing him being very dedicated. So people, it's not possible if everything is possible, right? If you are dedicated, even your family will support you if they see your dedication. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So last question, Eugene. I won't take much of your time. What do you have? What message do you have to say to the people? Like not just football, but with other talents as well.
Yeah, like I have said earlier in his previous question, yeah, you have to be focused, what you want in life, you try to achieve it, I mean, you have to be dedicated. There'll be ups and downs, there'll be people here and there, with a lot of negativity,
Yes.
but just be positive, and things will happen, if you really want it to happen, it will happen. Yeah.
So that's it, guys, with the interview, and we see forward to see about his normal life, what he does apart from football. So that's about it. Thank you so much, Eugene, for that.
I mean, Eugene, he works really hard. He did his thing, and now he's at the top. He never gave up. He struggled, he slogged, but he's there. So everyone are the same. Just do your thing. Never give up.
I told you guys, apart from football, so he has other talents. So you guys should be like him. Like even if you have any other talents, there should be some other things that you love, right?
Yeah, it's good. No, I mean like, especially for me, like with the profession that I am, I don't normally go out every now and then. You know, I like to sit at home, so I do like to occupy myself just by playing
Yes,
guitar, just to pass my time. Else, it's gonna be boring. You know?
Yes, exactly. So that's about it, guys. So that's about it from this vlog, and we would like to thank Eugene, and I hope you guys take it from him. He is a very humble, a very special person, and always stay humble no matter who you are, correct? Always stay humble and have faith in God. That is very important. So I hope you've heard enough, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Many people, many of you guys who have been watching this knows Eugeneson Lyngdoh, not just by his football. Now you know what and all he does. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video as much as you want. Thank you so much. Thank you, Eugene. Thanks. And wish you all the best, and hope to see you soon.
Thanks, man. Wish you the best too.
Hey, you've done a great job, man.
Hey, thank you, Daniel. Thank you.
No problem, man. No problem.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're leaving Eugene's house. Thank you, Eugene. God bless you.